Alright, running out of daylight. Just got enough to check out the final finish on this thing. So this was really tough to do. I did my best. No holes, didn't drill any holes. Got to put back the interior. Here's my final finish. So it has this natural kind of irregular wave here, just like the other side. I'll show you in a second. See? It's kind of hard to tell, but right in here, it just has all this kind of larger waves going on. That's kind of what I left them with, is the same kind of wave there. But up here, this was where that really bad damage was. And that's the best I'm going to get it. This took me all day long. Still got a little wave there. It's not perfect.